Hi everyone, my name is Chuck Watry and I'm a field product expert for Broan-NuTone and Best. And today we're going to be making a short video on a new fan that Broan came out with. It is the model LP510RSL. It's a humidity sensing fan. It's a continuous run fan, and I'm just going to show you how to get into it once it's installed and take the grill out and the motor assembly. So let's get started. Alright, if you needed to clean this lens, say if dust or dirt got behind the lens or the outside is dirty, what you can do to remove it is you can take a regular screwdriver. You can put it in between the grill and the lens, and you're just going to be prying down on it, and this lens will pop right out of there like so. You can see the two tabs would lock into the grill notches. This lens can be put in a sink of hot soapy water and washed and dried off and put back in. If you wanted to get on the inside of this unit to clean the grill or to clean the motor assembly, the grill is attached by V-springs. And I'm going to go ahead, and what you would do is, if it were mounted to the ceiling, you would just pull on this grill, you'd pull down, and you would squeeze the grill springs in. And I'm going to show you here. This is what these grill springs look like. Again, you would take your pointing finger and your thumb and you would just squeeze them together. They actually get attached to the blower housing bracket here. There's a bracket on each side. So one spring goes here, the other spring goes right here. The grill is going to be attached yet by the light cable. You can remove that grill again by taking your pointing finger and your thumb and just squeezing. There's a little tab on here, and you would squeeze it and it would pull right out. Right here is the tab that you're actually squeezing. To remove this blower assembly, there are 3 screws that you're going to remove. There's one here, and one right down in here. And you're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver. What you can do is you can unplug this motor plug. Same thing, you're just going to squeeze it and pull. And I'm going to go ahead and take these 3 screws out. That way I can show you. And you can do this if you wanted to take it out. Sometimes you get a lot of dust and lint build up inside the blower housing, and mine at home I take out, and I take it outside and I lightly blow it off with an air compressor. Or if you have a vacuum, a hose that'll reach that high up into the ceiling or the wall, because this is a wall mounted fan as well, you could vacuum this out. Once the 3 screws are out, you can take a regular screwdriver again, and you're just going to go in between the housing and that plastic bracket where those V-springs were. And you're just going to pry on them a little bit. And you want to do that on both sides. A smaller screwdriver would definitely help, because they're kind of notched in here. So there I have it. I just kind of, there's 2 tabs, and that kind of locks into that plastic bracket. I don't know if you can see the tabs or not, but here you have the whole blower assembly. Now again, you can take this, you can dust it out, suck the lint out with a vacuum cleaner, or you can, lightly use an air compressor and blow the dust and lint out. Same thing for that grill assembly. Sometimes these grates get full. Just again, lightly take air compressor, blow the dust and lint out, and you're going to be good. So I hope this short video helps. Thanks for watching.